This is how you get the juiciest and most golden chicken in the world. Here we have one whole chicken. I'll cut it in half and open it like this. Tell me, how do you cook whole chicken at home? I'd love to know your recipe. In a bowl, we have 300 grams of butter. I'll add the zest of 1 lime, 2 crushed garlic cloves, and mix well. I'll shape the butter into 2 round portions and place them inside the chicken. Then close and secure with skewers to seal. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Jennifer Miller from Austin, Texas. I'm really glad you're enjoying our recipes. Here we have 200 grams of butter. I'll cut it into pieces. This mixture will give our recipe a unique flavor. And melt it in the microwave. Once that's done, I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, lime zest, the juice of 2 limes, and mix well until smooth. We'll place it on the oven rack. I'll brush the chicken completely with the mixture. In a bowl, I'll put 1 kilo of peeled potatoes, 3 sliced carrots, 150 grams of chopped champignons, mushrooms, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, olive oil to taste, and mix well. And sprinkle rosemary on top. I'll place it in the oven along with the rack holding the chicken. Bake for 50 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Chicken made this way, with these vegetables, is simply delicious.